awake since 3 in the morning. 3:30 in the morning Chicago time. It's been about 12 hours, so it's about 3 p.m. back home, Chicago. But we are in New York. Whoa! Just got off our food tour. It's got pizza, ice cream, barbecue, pierogies for some reason.
And some Polish cookies.
Polish cookies. Yeah, it's been a long day already. We're going to head back to our hotel, which we haven't even checked into yet. We literally got off the plane, dropped off our stuff at the hotel, and came to Brooklyn, which is where we're at now. Yeah, we're gonna head back to Manhattan and then meet up some people. Yeah, see you in a bit. It's 11:45. She already had one pizza. She already had one pizza post bar. But we had to stop for some artichoke. And bars are definitely not closed yet, but it is bumping in here. Yeah, let's get in this pizza. In the financial district, so it's not really busy. No one's here. It's before 9. Headed to Summit. Last night was really fun. Hanging out with Daryl and Lem. Haven't seen them in a while. Well, Daryl not since the wedding. Lem since I was in the New York class. John met us up, which is great. Kay came over after her shift, which is cool. Yeah, trying to carb up. Not feeling great, but that's conference life, right? So let's try to make it through the day. We're all here. Oh, what's up?
Hey, Ryan.
Hi.
Oh, what, it's, Tagalog.
I'm vlogging. People are showing up. Texas is here. Hello, good morning.
I was drawn to these shows that allowed me to be a part of it, Asian or not, because of the mentality that was instilled in me from a very young age to excel, regardless of what I look like.
Right. So connect, seek out, advocate, support, all of that. Like, it really adds up, you know. So follow me on Instagram.
Alright, what up YouTube? We're going to lunch now at the Oculus Rift. Owned by Facebook, I think.
Let's get some food, baby.
What was that, John?
Get some food, baby.
Oh,
baby, let's get some food.
There goes all 10 of my subscribers. officially done. It is 4:45, which means there's about 45 minutes until the happy hour starts. So I'm gonna walk back to my hotel, try to take a nap, I guess, and then prepare for more partying with all the UniPro people. It'll be fun. Hi, Sarah.
Very nice.
I didn't know they had a store here.
We're on the way for pizza. It's been a long day already. All right, we're at fucking Prince Street Pizza. Sarah, what's your review of this pizza?
Delicious.
We're so drunk. Brian,
I'm
still
about
waiting.
to have it, but you know, it's not Chicago.
I know these things fucking suck.
Can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. He's not gonna lie about it. We're gonna tell you what we feel straight up. Like this is okay.
I know. Once it's on YouTube, it's like official. So yeah. Daryl's got his pizza. Francesca's waiting. Everyone's waiting.
He's about to walk out with a giant
But
box.
they're gonna pepperoni. So I'm jealous. I just want to bite into
Dude,
pepperoni.
actually,
H Mart.
Perfect cut.
We are in Koreatown. It's bumping. Yeah, it's pretty bumping here right now, actually. A lot of people getting dessert. We're for late night food. Well, it's hard to see. Let's see a Biko curry. Instead of being an asshole. So yeah, summer was great. After party was fun. And now we're here to get Japanese curry. Hopefully get it before we pass out. And head back to our hotel. So, successful trip so far. It's Sunday morning, bit of a late start. What we're going to do is get ready and then head up to Flushing to meet our friends Mike and Penny up for some brunch. YouTube famous.
What's under it?
The top, bottom. There you go.
There you go. Now you can drink.
That's good.
Huh? Gotta go to a bakery or something. Alright, cool. One fish eye. Good.
It's a react. It's a react video.
Oh my goodness.
A red bean dessert. Yeah, I love these things. They're so good.
Yeah. Now react.
Okay,
Okay.
hold on.
Now I get to marry my best friend.
This is red taro and cream. Let's see the inside. Look at that. Oh. Oh, what's wrong with this ube, man?
Yeah, it's so pale. What the hell?
But
Pale
Italian.
ube.
Good. It's a lot of filling.
Cool.
I know. What are you guys doing in New York?
I didn't even see it.
See, everyone's like, what? Rain?
drop top.
taping. Sarah and I are so out of it right now. Yeah, man. I got up around 9 and dexterity 2. Okay, we've made it to dinner at Fishateria plus. I'm gonna mess it up. But yeah, I'm here for Italian dinner to hang out with the board of directors after a very tiring weekend and a long night. But yeah, time for some pasta and wine. Monday, our last day. We leave today. Leave 10 o'clock tonight. So we're just gonna eat as much as we can before we have to get on our flight, as usual. It's always a sign of a good trip. Sara and I are big fans of the John Wick franchise, and then we found out from Lemon Daryl that the Continental is right there. So Sara and I walked across the Brooklyn Bridge all the way to come here. Juliana's Pizza. Thank you. That's it. I've eaten everything I can. I'm done. I'm so tired. And yeah, there's Manhattan. I bet we're gonna head back to the hotel, get our stuff, get out of here, head back home. So yeah, thanks for joining us. Click like, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment.